Hello, this is Daniel Prey recording for Data and Analysis, Module 5, USD 323. We're comprised of 3 schools, 2 elementary schools, one in the northern community, Westmoreland, Kansas, one in the southern community, St. George, Kansas. They combine to make up Rock Creek, that's right in the middle, which is the junior and senior high school. Up at Westmoreland, our motto, our student-driven focus is there is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. My students have had time to think about what that means and reflect upon that as it relates to them in math, in reading, and in all facets of their life. We are definitely a growing district. Over the last 10 years, we have seen no less than 5% growth in the district due to farmers selling their land, developers coming in building houses, Manhattan growing, MBAF coming in, people moving out towards the Rock Creek Wamego School District, and definitely the Blue Ribbon National Awards for both St. George and Rock Creek have helped. We are currently around 900 students with 70 employees in the district. How we do business: 2016, Rock Creek was ranked first in Kansas. As I've already talked about, we've been a national Blue Ribbon school in both the high school and St. George Elementary School. Our job as educators that we're pushing hard the last 2 years is to build relationships with our students and engage them in learning through Kagan Cooperative Learning. Our district-wide initiative and our KISA goals have supported the pies of the Kagan, which you can see in the top right corner. Where are we now? Our high school ACT scores 1 point above the state average. As a district in the subject of math, reading reflects very similar. We are well above the state average in level 4, which is above average, level 3 at average, at grade level, and then I think the best data is having level 1s and our percentages being below the state average. So the data is shown very nicely here. Also, the last 2 years we've had a 93 and 94% graduation rate, 2017, 2018, and you can see what our students that are graduating are doing. This is not just in the Rock Creek School District, but also Kaw Valley, which would be Rossville and Silver Lake also. Why do we exist? I'm not going to read the entire mission statement here, but you can see we're providing a caring environment with every child, opportunities to develop character, attitudes, and values. And then you can see that our curriculum is based upon that also. And the part that sticks out to me is the need for every child a positive atmosphere. And we have given our students a pledge this year to create a positive learning environment. And we end it with a random act of kindness. We can do one random act of kindness. Where do we want to be? Well, as far as Westmoreland goes, we want to build an MTSS model into our school, which we currently do not have set up. I believe we have the time, I believe we have the resources and the teachers. We just have to put it into fruition. We need to focus on our relationships. We need to invest in our Kagan structures and in our Kagan training. We've been trained on days 1 through 4, with day number 5 coming up later this month. We need to continue to engage our students. As you can see, the Kagan model lowers the gap, brings our low babies up, and our high babies continue to grow also. So opposed to traditional testing and learning versus Kagan cooperative learning. Hope you've enjoyed my presentation. Have a great day.